Does this ever happen to you? You had a great client meeting. You established great rapport. The client agreed you can send him a proposal. So far so good, right? Now after the meeting, you type out the business proposal. Click, 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 click. You press send and then the clients start responding. Or after a long delayed period, you get a, we've decided to go with another service provider. Thank you for your time. It hurts, doesn't it? Now to avoid this from happening again, let's discuss the top 3 reasons why people aren't buying from you. Hi, if you want to receive weekly practice sales tips and stories, please subscribe to my channel. Let me help you win more sales. Before I start listing the 3 reasons, please do the following. Think about your last 5 client rejections. And if you got any response from them, I want you to take a look at it. And now I want you to check the sales and marketing messages that's in your inbox that you have received. Go check in your LinkedIn message, for example. You might see a familiar pattern occurring in front of you. See if you can see these top 3 things as to why these sales proposals get rejected. Reason number 1, me, myself, and I. The proposal starts off by saying how many years the company has been around, the person has, how great their products are, and how many clients they have. Now you might say to yourself, what is wrong with this approach? Well, have you ever been on a date with somebody that just talks about themselves the whole time? I mean, what their title is, what job they do, what amazing qualifications they have, how much money they make, how smart they are, and so forth. You get the picture. When that happens, I doubt you are super interested in the conversation or even want to see that person again. Now to avoid this trap of me, myself, and I, make the proposal about your customer and their world. Invite them to do business with you. Reason number 2, overused business buzzwords. You've heard of these before. We are a team of professionals, synergy, industry leader, disruption, growth hack, digital transformation, best practice, industry leader, or my personal favorite, pivot. People are pivoting so much. I am surprised that they haven't sprained a freaking ankle. Now, you are probably nodding right now because you've heard of these words a few times. Now, when these words become buzzwords, they become cliche. And when you use words that are overused, you're beginning to sound like everybody else, you talk like everybody else, you type like everybody else, you get ignored. Next time you type out a business communication, run your content through this very, very cool app called the Hemingway app. Now this app can show how clear your writing is based on the readability score. It shows how many sentences are hard to read and so forth. I suggest you write between grade 6 and 8 reading level. If you achieve a good score, it means that you are explaining things in plain English that people can understand. Now here's an example with something with poor score. I want you to go onto Google Scholar and look for any academic research paper. Paste that into the Hemingway app. You not only will struggle to understand what the person is saying, you'll also see that it receives a very, very poor readability score. Finally, number 3, framing your price as a cost. Do you like spending money or have no idea where your money went? I didn't think so. And neither does your client. Instead of framing your pricing as a cost or spend, frame it as an investment. When you invest well, you are far more likely to get something in return. So next time you sending a proposal, start communicating in clear language and the pain that your client might be experiencing in their business. Follow this, positioning your service as a medicine to their pain. Finally, frame your solution as an investment for them to solve their pain in the long run. Practice this method, refine it, and you will see an increase in client response. Hi, thanks for watching. Before you go, it would really help if you subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated with weekly practice sales tips and stories. Let me help you win more sales.